Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. So in my last block printing video, a lot of you guys commented that it's difficult for you to guys get blocks. One thing, it's a little expensive, not just that, it's not easily available, and also you are not gonna use the same block again and again. So you guys wanted to see some other method wherein you can design sari. So in this video I'll be showing you all how we can design a sari using Q-tip. It's very simple. So here, if you want, we can take fabric paint itself, but I will show you something different. So with that, we will be doing this kind of polka dot. So here we are going to take a binder from Fevicryl, and now we need this acrylic colors which is in form of dust. Here I have taken golden dust. This is just for 40 rupees and the binder is just for 15 rupees. So with just these two products we can design whole sari, one sari completely, and all we need is a Q-tip. If you want, we can use block print and do block printing as we did in last video, but here we'll be designing our sari with Q-tip. So now what we need to do is, first we need to take golden dust. Take a container and put a little bit of golden dust and add binder little by little, and we need it in a good thick consistency wherein you can know whether the consistency is perfect by just putting the print in a waste cloth. So if it comes out properly, if it comes out perfectly, that means that consistency is perfect. So it's always better you add dust before and then add binder little by little. But here what happened is that my binder went a little more, so I'm adding this golden dust and mixing it really well. So it is important that we mix the product really well, and also it is very important that the consistency is perfect, then only the color is gonna come out very well. So the specialty of this kind of binder and golden dust is that it is gonna give a very nice metallic color. So fabric paint doesn't has that kind of shine to it, but this metallic, this acrylic dust has got a very nice metallic finish, so that is going to give a beautiful finish to our sari. So now what we all need to do is just dip this Q-tip in that paint that we have already mixed, and then just press it to sari. So this is gonna give a small polka dot. So this very beautiful. Just continue doing this throughout sari. So that's it, very simple. Just with 55 rupees and a Q-tip we can design a sari. We can have a different look to our old sari. So this kind of black sari and this border, not just black, you can get this kind of sari anywhere from any shop in different colors, and I have seen this in Amazon as well. So just use Q-tip and just put this dots here and there. So here there is no need to take measurement and all, you just can eyeball and randomly puts dots here and there. So that's the beauty of this print. So this is how my sari looks after putting out the blocks. So I didn't complete the sari with dots, I just did half till the half of sari, but for blouse I'll be putting on this polka dots completely throughout this blouse material. So continue the same. It's very simple, very easily any beginner can do this. So what you need to do is, like, once you finish off this printing, just leave it just like that for 24 hours. So once it is dried, it actually takes couple of hours to dry, but then it's always safe to leave it on for good 24 hours. After that, reverse the sari and just give a good iron, not on the side where we have printed, the opposite side, and after that it's done. You can definitely wash this, there is no problem, but then just be mild. Do not just wash it very harshly with soap and water. Just be very mild. So it's very simple. Please just try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Let me know through Instagram. Just send me pics if you guys are recreating this. So that's it guys, I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.